So here's day 18. I stayed till about 8 o'clock last night. I pulled all these plates up. I moved all the material to the back, so I got room to build this sidewall and start working on these roofs. I'm gonna start by building these back two walls though. I'll build that side one and then the back one. And then I can start doing the roofs, and then I'll build the rest of the walls. So I'll start by building this wall first. Leaving the cap plate back about 4 feet so I could hang it over the tall wall. I did that on that side too. Now I'll stand this wall. It's a little windy though, so I got a block nailed on here, just so when the wall goes up, it can't go past there. Now I'm gonna cut everything for this back wall while I let the gun warm up because it's working like shit. So I cut these plates. Now I'll lay them out. There's one wall going here. This is gonna be a walk-in closet. This will be the master bedroom. And then there's a 6-foot window in this wall. I have everything cut for this back wall. So I'll start building this. But this plywood on the corner has to run 5.5 over here. So does the cap plate. So I'll have to build it slit over like this, and then I'll have to stand it, slide it in. But before I can build this wall, I have to put a sheet on here to make it flush with the outside. I'm gonna build this little section first because I'm gonna have to build it hanging over like 6 inches. So I'm gonna frame it over here and then I'll slide it out and then build the back part. I had this warming up for like a half hour and it's still not working good. So now I can hang it over the 6 inches and then I'll build the rest of it. Even with this thing warmed up. Now I'll pull it over, nail it down to my line, and I can put the sheets on. you know, let's see if I can stand it. It's a little windy, but it should be okay. I'm gonna have to take that one brace off though. So this one I just tacked the bottom down so the bottom wouldn't slide out. So I'll pull out these nails and I'll slide the whole wall over so it goes tight here. That back corner's all done now. So now I'll finish this cantilever. I didn't get a chance to finish it because the guy came with the lift. But I just got to put the 6-inch sheet on and a little piece of rim board here and another little piece of rim board on the end. And there's the cantilever all done. It's gonna have another double wall right here. And then there'll be a little roof that goes along here on the bottom. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm gonna go get my roof trusses and get them up here. They're way over there though. Put them way over there. So I'll have to go get those and I'll bring all the little ones up for the lower roof. So I'll do that tonight and then it's time for a beer.